Visma is a top software company in Europe. We deliver SaaS-based financial and accounting and other types of software to 1 million customers across Europe. We had several challenges related to our use of private clouds. One of them was that development and operations worked very inefficiently. We were only able to update our cloud solutions about 6 times a year. We migrated on the database, we migrated from Microsoft SQL to an open source based database service, and we cut the cost in half. We have now configured automated scaling on the AWS platform, which means that we scale up when the systems are used more by customers, so they get increased performance, and we scale down when the systems are not as heavily used, and then we don't have to pay for resources that are not needed. One of the most important capabilities that we got out of the AWS platform was the self-service. Because of all the automation possibilities that the AWS platform has given us, we are able to automate many parts of our development process, which means that we are able to deploy changes to production more frequently than we were able to do before. After migrating to AWS and implementing continuous delivery and DevOps, we now update our cloud services about 6 times a month on average. One example of a service we built on AWS is a route optimization service. So healthcare workers in Norway, when they visit patients at home that need care, they can calculate their driving route through this application. This means that the healthcare workers can spend less time in traffic and more time at home with these patients. Using CloudFormation, we're able to define our entire infrastructure as code, which has many benefits. We are now able to have our infrastructure under version control. This means we can do code reviews of our infrastructure changes, just as we do for our application changes. We have many workloads that we are aiming to modernize by moving to AWS. We want to improve reliability, performance, and scalability. We want to see where we can use container technology and serverless technology to benefit both Visma and our customers.